Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat and Smokey, and we are out at camp, and I was going to try to do an unboxing, but this box is so big. Can you see it? I can't set the camera up perfectly to show it to you. So it's not going to be a true unboxing, but I will show you what's inside. I don't think I can do it on camera, but I can try. Hang on. I don't think it's going to work because my camera's falling over where I have it sitting. So, because I need both hands free, so I just kind of have it propped up. But let me get this out of the box and I'll show you what it is, okay? Okay guys, so I have the box open and I cannot get the camera to stay where I put it because it's just kind of, I just got it propped up next to me, so if I move it's gonna fall. But anyway, I opened it that much and you can kind of see what's in there. And there's some styrofoam. And there's some metal. Let's see if I can pull this out on camera. I don't think I can because I'm hitting the camera. Here's a clue. Here's a tire. And here's the biggest clue of all. So this is a kayak and canoe cart, and this is the manual for it. So it's the Soozier brand, and I bought it on Amazon. I don't remember what I paid. I will have to add that information in editing because I don't have internet out here. But here's a cord, and here's some hardware, I guess. And here comes another tire. So you can see the size of the tire. They're hard tires, the plastic. And oh yeah, I can get it out. So Smokey is just a cardboard box, it's okay. So here it is. And let's just take the plastic off of it. I'm going to save this as a bag to use for garbage. So it says, I don't know if you can see that. It says Soozier Kayak Cart and the numbers, and it opens up like that. And it opens up like that, and I'm assuming the wheels go on either end over here. And this is the section that holds the kayak right here. And there's an extra strap to winch it on. And I'm imagining these things are maybe to hold the tires in place. So I'm going to have to read the instructions and come back. But basically what we have are 2 tires, some like rods, and a thing. And it's supposed to help because my asthma's been really bad, so I have not gone kayaking yet because I don't know if you could see out the window, but my camp is up on a hill and there's a ramp down to the water, and it's really hard to carry the kayak down, but even harder to carry it up. So that's why I got this cart, and I'm hoping it will work. And I will let you know what I think about it after I try it. But for now, let me put it together. Let's get the wheels on this thing and see what it looks like. I'll come right back. Okay guys, so I have this all together. It was really super easy. You basically just put the tires on, and this lock goes through the 2 holes on the axle, and then you fold this over. Like you just push it pretty hard, and then that keeps it from falling off. So super simple, watch. With a little bit more force than I did. I think it would be easier if you go down that way and then this way. And you can see it's closed here. And then this gives it stability for loading the kayak, but when you're actually pulling the kayak, it's going to come up like this. So I just attached the strap onto here and I folded it up using one of my ponytail holders. So that's all there is to it. It's very simple. I don't know how well these tires are going to do. They seem like they're just hard plastic. They don't seem like... You know, when I was a little girl, I had a doll buggy, and that's what the tires felt like. So I don't know how long these tires are going to last, but I'll let you know. Because I have a stone pathway that I'm going to have to go up and down, and that might be hard on it. I don't know if this is just built for grass and sand, but I have that little... but it's like a paved stone, so it's flat, and it's not like too uneven or anything. You've probably seen it in my videos. But anyway, I will take pictures or a short video of this on my kayak when I use it, and I'll let you know how I like it. And I'll give you all the details about the price and whether I think it's worth it. Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, here I am, and here is the little kayak trailer with a little inflatable kayak on it. It worked really well to go down the hill, and the kayak fell off of it 3 or 4 times trying to come up the hill. And also it kept folding. Whenever you try to put the kayak on it, it folds. So I would not recommend this one. I would get one that was sturdier, where it has a lock that you have to manually unfold it, because that little lever that it's sitting on, it just folds. Now it could be that I just need more practice with it, but I had like 2 asthma attacks just bringing it up from the bay because it was just way harder than just carrying it. But it weighs about 35 pounds, and plus all the stuff in it. And it's okay for me to carry on flat ground, but not up a hill with my asthma. So maybe my dad can take a look at this trailer and fix it up a bit so it works better. I'm sure he can. Anyway, so I just wanted to update you, and as I use it more, I'll do a real review. This was just part of the unboxing. Alright guys, thanks. Take care. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, the notification bell. All of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting, happy shopping. Have a great day. Bye guys.